Hi guys, and welcome back to the Chef Mooney channel. Today I'm going to do another potato dish. I did a recipe on my last video which is like a curry potato dish. This one's got a little bit of prosciutto, some ham, dried thyme, onion, chicken stock, cream, a little bit of olive oil. It's very simple. You just toss everything together, put it in a dish, put it on convection oven. If you have convection oven, most of the smaller ovens are now got that option. If not, you can just put it in a standard gas oven or electric oven on 180 degrees Celsius, around about 40 minutes. See how you go with it. Every oven's going to be different. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let's get cracking and I'll show you how to do it. Now let's go over the ingredients. I've got 6 Desiree potatoes. We're going to marinate that with a little bit of olive oil. We are going to incorporate the chicken stock into this recipe and some thickened cream. You can use cooking cream. I've got some feta cheese there. We're going to sprinkle on the top as a garnish, along with some Parmesan cheese, half a red onion. I'm using up some of this ham and bacon, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of prosciutto here, which this is just a bit of a use up. A little bit of dried thyme on there. And we're not going to use any grated cheese. These are the 2 cheeses we're going to use, Parmesan and feta cheese. It's a very simple dish to do. All you need to do is slice these potatoes up. We're going to incorporate the dried thyme with the potatoes in this bowl. And then our topping, we might toss the onions in. You'll see how it all goes together. Finishing off with the stock, a little bit of olive oil, and get it into the oven. It's going to be delicious, guys. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we're just going to slice up our potatoes. Everything into the bowl. Good couple of tablespoons of olive oil in there. And I forgot to mention I'm using some of this Celtic salt. It's beautiful salt. It's got a lovely flavour to it. Very, very good for you. If you can't find this, you can just use natural salt. In with our onions and bacon. You can add a little bit of pepper if you like, and some other herbs. I'm using some fresh thyme. I just love the flavour of thyme. Give this a good mix with the olive oil. If you think it's a little bit dry, you can add a little bit more olive oil, but I think that's just enough. And you can see how quick and easy this is. Toss the potatoes in with the bacon. Just want to distribute them so that they're nicely even. You can have a little pattern on the top if you want to. I'm keeping this quite rustic. I'm going to add our chicken stock. There's about 500 milliliters of chicken stock in here. 300 mils of thickened cream. A bit of prosciutto on the top. And you can just get this together quite simply. Pop it in the oven. Some Parmesan cheese. And lastly, some feta cheese. I don't know, about 1/4 of a packet on the top. If you like more, you can put more on. And lastly, I didn't mention, I've got just a little bit of olive oil in here with some garlic and a little bit of parsley. And I'm just wanting to give that a little bit of a garlic hit too. You can skip this step if you don't like garlic, but I think it really makes a difference. And it's come out of the oven now. It's had 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. It's absolutely delicious. It smells fantastic. Give this a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. It really does help me. I will see you next week for another great recipe. Take care. Bye for now.